Happy International Women's Day to all the beautiful women out there, being girls, teenagers, adults, mothers, grandmothers, and my spiritual women. So today I am going to show you how I make my clay pack, which helps me lose fat in my abdomen, lose liquid in my abdomen, and also help get rid of my back pain. I know, trust me. So if you want to know how I do it, stay tuned and I'll be right there with you. Greetings and welcome to Healthy with Ajo. So today, as the title of the video states, how to prepare your clay pack, apply it, and feel the heat. All right, so what we are going to need is our bentonite clay, and from that you will also need essential oil. I'm using something balsamic, something that will help me get the heat faster. I really need it. Here I also have with me grated ginger, a glass. I don't want any contamination or anything. With a wooden spoon. Here I have my plastic wrap, waste trimmer, a container, and a towel, because discarding this in your pipeline is going to clog it. The only ingredient I didn't add here is warm water. You need warm water to help you with the heat. A spoonful of bentonite clay. This might be too much. I'll go ahead and add my grated ginger. Then I'm going to add some few drops of warm water. So basically this is how the consistency looks like. I'm not going to make it. It's just some few drops of warm water. And now I'm adding 3 to 5 drops of my 31 essential oils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Mix, 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 mix. All right, lovely. This is how it looks like. Okay. So getting back to how I apply it, all I need is okay, this is where I normally feel the pain at my back. So I have lumbar ipelordoso, so that is basically where I do apply this. It is sometimes twice a week or 3 times in a week. If you can't do it by yourself, all you need to do is ask someone to help. Okay. So now this comes in hand. Let's get this out of the way. Warm water. All right, warm water. So you rub and rub and rub. Just one wrap is enough. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my fascia abdominale. Okay. I don't want it to be tight because it can mess with the blood circulation and digestion. So just something, oh my god, I can feel the heat. Oh, that is lovely. So you can leave it on for half an hour, or you can do it overnight. Go to bed with this in place. Don't worry, nothing is going to come off. Trust me, you will feel it burning. I really recommend using just if you are in Italy, especially in Emilia Romagna or Reggio Emilia. If you are near Parma, it is very easy for me to get you this, and I'll leave my contact info in my description box so you can ask to get this. All right, so now come with me. Let's go and do some yoga stretching. Yes, you can do this while you are exercising. Okay, then after my 30 minutes, 15-30 minutes, I will go ahead and show you how I wash it down. So stay tuned. Guys, I think I have to cut my yoga session short. I feel the heat, I feel dehydrated, and so I'm going to go ahead and remove it, clear it, and take a quick cold and hot shower to help with the blood circulation. Remember, you need to take in a lot of fluid. Okay, take a lot of fluid when you do this detox pack, because you are going to feel it. Trust me. All right, welcome back. So this is burning so much, I don't think I can keep it on for an hour or two. Right now what I'm going to do is I am going to get rid of it as soon as possible. Okay, get this out of the way. So to prevent clogging or creating problem for your pipeline, you have to make it this way. Just get rid of these things. Okay, here I have a warm water, and here I do have my towel. This is what I normally use. I'm using this dark color because I don't want any wahala. The water wasn't warm enough, but anyway. Okay, I need something. Oh, that is amazing. Okay. and it still burns. It is burning. So remember those times when our parents used to put the ginger in our bum bum when you have fever? So if you had washed in your bathtub, you would have gotten all of these, but I am going to discard this in my water, my water. Thank you for being here with me. Oh, unless I forgot, I'm going to show you a pic of how I looked like few months ago before I started doing this, and I'm doing it consistently, not only for my belly, for also my back pain, and I am seeing great results. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post future content like this. It was for missing pay. Ne pa bade. Asum drink. Bye bye.